Hi, welcome to my video open house. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Today we're touring 701 South Jordan, just south of the Indiana University campus. Let's take a look inside. There's a formal center entry that separates the dining and the living room, plus there's a grand stair that leads to the second floor bedrooms. This limestone English cottage is so charming. Beautiful relief carvings, hardwood floors, and a really fantastic study that's just off of the living area. This charming 1920s house has a nice little alcove with built-ins and beautiful custom molding throughout. Beautiful kitchen was featured in a national magazine. It has a professional gas range, natural cherry cabinetry, and a nice little eating alcove. There's a potential media space here right off of the kitchen. This could be a breakfast room or a small family room. I love the 20s style of this home with Moorish figures, plaster walls, and 4 very large bedrooms with dormers and some walk-in storage space. I love the architecture in this house. You get the dormer spaces, the quaint windows on both sides, double closets, and these rooms are big enough for bed space as well as play space for kids. There's great storage in this home with a full basement. There are 3 garage stalls, one with the carriage doors and one with a double door. That's really unusual for Elm Heights. This attractive limestone home is on a corner lot. It's just 3 blocks south of the Indiana University campus in Elm Heights. Elm Heights is one of Bloomington's most established and favorite neighborhoods. Thanks for touring my video open house. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com. You can see this video and more on my website, or reach me at FC Tucker Realtors. My number's 812-360-5333.